Today we have a video from Crime Time Cam, and the title of the video is Mother Makes Threatening Phone Call to School After Son Gets Banned from Prom.
On March 13th, 2026, officers made contact with a woman who had made a threatening phone call towards her son's school.
What?
Right now you're being detained.
For what?
I'm going to talk to you.
Said I'm being detained.
Yeah.
Why?
We'll talk about it when.
This is my house. I mean, I want
You're not going inside. So, walk over to what did I do? Walk over there. Otherwise, I'm going to be handcuffs in front of the whole neighborhood. You're there. Let's go to my car.
I ain't did nothing. Figure out what I did. What did I do? But you can't arrest me unless you tell me what I did. What I do? What did I do? Why is you arresting me? But why is you arresting me? You cannot arrest me and not tell me why I'm getting arrested. Why are you arresting me? This is against the law.
This is not against the law.
Baby, yes it is. You arrested me for no reason. Babe!
Alright. You have anything on you that's going to stick folks stab?
No, what did I do though? Why are you arresting me? Why? Can you get him my keys?
In a
Yeah,
moment.
I got you. Just wait.
Why are you arresting me
I
though?
just told you I will tell you that in a moment.
I got you on this. All right. She good.
You didn't even read me my rights.
You're going to get read your rights. You don't have to get read your rights to be detained. Please sit in the car.
Yeah, I'm not under arrest. Why are you putting me in handcuffs?
At this point, you don't need all rights.
I'm not under arrest.
I'm still going to.
I didn't even do nothing. Why are you arresting me? Why am I being detained? Am I being arrested,
Are you
sir?
going to listen or no? You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can will be used against you in a court of law.
I feel like people really need to learn the difference between detainment and being under arrest. Just because you have handcuffs on you do not mean you're under arrest. You also gotta learn why they read Miranda rights and when they will read them. Just because they put handcuffs on you don't mean you're gonna get read Miranda rights. It's only if they're gonna ask you questions. This is illegal.
No, because you didn't even tell me why I'm being arrested.
So you don't understand your rights because I didn't tell you why you're being arrested?
No, you did not tell me why I'm being
What is this right in mind you wish to speak on?
You did not tell me why I'm being arrested.
I'm not able to until you answer the question. How did these rights mine? You wish to speak to me.
What?
You understand your rights?
I don't know why I'm being arrested.
All right, so
Understand your rights.
No, I don't understand my rights.
Do you want to speak to us today about this?
Yes.
Okay, well then you got to tell me that you understand your rights. You need me to repeat them?
Yes, I don't
You
know why
have the
I'm being
right,
arrested.
listen, you have the right to remain silent. Anything you say, and it will be used against you in a court of law. You have the right to talk to a lawyer and be present with you while you're being questioned.
They didn't even tell me why I'm being arrested.
all right, so basically, they
didn't tell me. They just put me in the car handcuffed.
what you gonna? Here you go. Man, I won't even fuck with the car. Yes, sir.
What's she done? I'm not able to talk to you about that. An incident.
I ain't even.
So right now,
Hold
can you just listen real quick?
I didn't know why I'm getting
Hold
arrested.
on. Can you listen to me real quick? For him to tell you, so right now you going to jail for disorderly conduct.
For what?
All right, so that's why he went. Hold on, listen to me. That's why. Look, listen.
For what?
Okay.
He's trying to call back, please. 10-4.
Yeah.
All right, so look, listen to this. All right, right now you been detained. You been arrested for this.
What did I do, sir? I didn't do nothing.
He tried to look. Listen, I'm trying to explain to you.
Okay, I just want to know why I'm going to jail.
Okay, for disorderly conduct.
For what?
So he read you your Miranda. You stated that you don't understand. So
I said,
to question
I
you
don't
about,
understand why I'm being arrested, sir.
do you understand your rights?
I guess.
You have the right to have an attorney with you while you being questioned. Do you understand the
so
rights?
why am I being arrested, sir?
No. So do you understand?
Why am I being arrested?
For disorderly conduct.
Disorderly conduct and what?
I can't explain that to you unless it's your rights and
Oh man. And she's taking care of people. You see the scrubs. We can't even get past, do you understand your rights? We can't even get past, this is the basics. You was just complaining about, you didn't even read me my rights. He reads you your rights, and now you don't understand them. And you help take care of the general public. Oh boy.
I said yes.
yes, I guess.
I said yes.
Anybody else for the
I
wagon?
understand the rights that I write to you.
Okay, yes.
It's not okay, yes. It's,
Fine, I'll show you
Yes.
supposed to be.
Can you tell me why I'm being
and you
arrested?
do wish to speak to me.
Yes.
Okay. What
Why am I
happened?
being
What happened?
Adam 11, are you going to need 29?
arrested?
No, we good over here.
Sun ghost.
I'll show you now supposed 29.
What did you say in the phone call? It's a recorded line.
What did I say? What do you mean, what did I say?
You tell me. That's what I'm asking.
I don't know. What are you talking about?
Did you say anything alarming, like on that phone call? Because it's recorded. It's a recording line. Even though if you didn't mean what you said, you made a statement which they contacted PD for. So you might made it. You might was in a heated situation, like in a heated moment, and you made it. My bad. You may have made a statement that was alarming to the school. So I'm not sure what. I don't know if you said you had a missile or some shit. I'm not sure what you said, but
I ain't say I had no business.
what did you say? What did you say? It was something. It was something alarming for them to call us.
I didn't really say anything. I just said he was telling me about everything like that, and I just was like, you know, I really wanted him to go
To prom, right?
Prom.
Okay.
Yeah,
So
I wanted to
after
go
they.
prom.
You spent money on him.
Yeah, I spent money on him, and I was like, you know, I really want him to go. I don't want him to his prom.
When they
Well, I was just joking about that. I was not really meaning that I was really gonna do that.
Do what?
do what? Do what?
No, I mean, I just was gonna snap out about it. It's not gonna be able
That's not me saying exactly what I'm talking about. I'm gonna be honest with you. If I'm asking you the questions, I know the answers. So what did you say?
I mean, I didn't mean it though.
What did you say? That's all I'm asking you. If you're gonna lie about it, then it's not gonna do you any favor.
I just was like, you know, I was upset when I said it, and I said I was just gonna, you know, I was upset when I said it. I really didn't mean.
She annoys me, man. She just talk like this is just such a waste of time even talking to her, man. It doesn't surprise the apple probably does not fall far from the tree. We see how she acting. The kid can't go to prom because of whatever he got going on. And it doesn't surprise me, man.
What did you say when you were upset?
I was just gonna blow the school up if he don't go to prom. But I'm not gonna.
And you see why it's so alarming? Because stuff happened with schools all around the world and
I
shit.
know, I was upset. I'm not gonna blow no school up.
Okay,
I
hang
just
time
was
for me.
upset.
Just hang time for me.
Yo, I cannot spit that shit out. It was too many M's.
We've got the complaint here at the Civic Center. It's going to be a 10-inch Charles.
The woman was charged with disorderly conduct and terroristic threatening. Thanks for watching today.
I don't know what's up with these people, man. We just seen a couple of days ago, you know, I did a video on a lady who she going to cosmetology school and she's saying the same thing. She trying to, you know what I'm saying? She trying to do what it do to the school. She trying to Columbine the school, man. It's like, and then you got the, like, why do people, I don't understand. How does that, when you're upset, that's what comes to mind? Like, I don't even understand that thought process. Whatever, man. It's crazy.